What's up guys, here is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Fan Edition or S24 FE in its clean graphite color. But real question is, can this phone deliver the flagship vibes without the flagship price? So let's unbox it and see what's Samsung cooking this time. Alright, let's crack this box quickly and I'm excited to see the awesome graphite color. And boom, here is the device itself on top. Wow, check this out. The back is Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and it feels incredibly smooth and solid. And on front there is Gorilla Glass Victus Plus also. This means both sides are built to resist scratches and minor drops, giving you the premium feel and the peace of mind. Now let's turn it on and put it on side and see what's more in the box of the Galaxy S24 FE. In the box there is an envelope which contains a SIM ejecting tool and few paperwork, and last USB-C to USB-C cable. As usual, there is nothing more in the box and sadly you are not going to get the power adapter. So let's finish the initial setups and finally here we are on the home screen. Okay, this screen feels super smooth right away. That 120Hz refresh rate is doing its job. Scrolling feels buttery, animations are snappy. This is something flagship level stuff. And the frame is aluminium, volume rockers and the power button are on the right side. Left side is totally clean. Top has noise cancellation mic and the SIM tray, and the bottom has USB-C port and the speaker. And overall look of this phone is premium, and I can say that. And as I told you guys earlier, the back is glossy glass and yeah, it's definitely got that sleek and shiny vibe. But please note it's a little slippery, so you should use it with the case to avoid any accidental damage. And the display is 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED 2X with 385 pixel density and 1900 brightness nits. With this brightness nits, you can easily use your phone outside in sunny day. The display of the S24 Fan Edition is stunning, vibrant colors, deep blacks and the crispy contrast. With 120Hz refresh rate, everything feels smooth. And the front sports a centered punch hole camera cutout. It's small and doesn't get in the way. For the performance, S24 Fan Edition has Exynos 2400E built on 4nm process, and I have variant of 8GB RAM with 256GB of storage. And you will get Android 14 with One UI 6, but don't worry, you can easily update to Android 15 and One UI 7. And you will get 50MP wide camera with 12MP ultra wide and 8MP telephoto. Here I took some photos with the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. Photos look really crispy and sharp. So this was the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. What do you say about this device and about this color? Please let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you next video. Take care. Peace for all.